guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the deals that I found at CVS this week. I shared on my Instagram last week some of the deals I found at Family Dollar, Dollar General, and CVS, and a lot of you guys wrote me and said that you wanted me to start sharing my deals with you guys. So I'm going to start doing that every week when I go to the stores. I'm going to share with you not only on Instagram, but I'm going to share with you guys here the breakdowns of my deals. Now, if you want me to go more into detail of how you can save at CVS and at Family Dollar, I will do a separate video. If you want that, just let me know in the comments down below, because there is some things that you have to do at CVS that's more than just getting coupons from the Sunday paper. They also have the extra care bucks that you get back that can make you save money, having the actual CVS card, and their digital coupons as well that you'll add all together to get these coupon savings. So I can do another video for you guys. Just let me know down below if you guys want me to let you know what you need to do to save at CVS. Family Dollar and Dollar General, basically all you have to do is download their app, and you can just I think at Dollar General you punch in your phone number, and then at Family Dollar you give them your phone and they scan your phone, and that's how you get their deals. And you can only get one coupon, one item, and one coupon per item, which I've loved actually, because now since they've been putting limits on it, we're everybody's actually able to save on coupons, because before there would be couponers that would take everything and then you couldn't get savings. So I like the fact that they make it one per household, and you're able to get some every week. So let me just jump in right now and share with you guys all my deals and my breakdowns. So if you guys want to get them this week, you can. These deals will be until Saturday night, so you could still have time to grab them. So let me start off with the Nivea deals, and they had deals for the Nivea lotion and body wash this week. And it's not, I got the men's body wash because I got this for my husband, but they also had the deal on the regular ones. So the price for the body wash of these also works with the regular ones. So the lotions this week was $7.49 each. And what I did was I bought 2 of them, which brought my total to $14.98. And then I used 2 manufacturer coupons from the paper, which were $2 off one. And so it brought my price down to $10.98 for both of them. Now, CVS has a deal this week that when you buy 2 lotions, you get a $5 extra care buck back. Now, extra care bucks, if you don't know what it is basically these extra care buck rewards that you get with your receipt. So whenever you pay and you get your receipt, if there's a deal where you get extra care bucks back, this is what it is. And what it is that you can use it for your next order. So they're basically money for your next order on anything you buy. It doesn't have to be the exact same thing you purchase. The money goes towards your total of your next transaction. And it could be within that same day or the next time you go. So when you subtract the $5 that I get back from the extra care bucks, I basically paid $5.98 for both of these. Now, one of them alone cost $7.49, but with the deals that I had with my manufacturer coupon and the extra care buck that I got back, it brought it down to it brought the price down to $5.98 for 2 of them. Moving on to the body wash, they were 2 for $9 this week, and it's like I said, it's for this body wash and the other ones. And what I did was I used 1 manufacturer coupon that I got from my the Sunday paper, and it took off it was a coupon that was $3 off 2. It was $3 off 2 body washes. So it brought my total down to 2 of these for $6. But then also CVS also has their own digital coupons that once you download the app, you can get the digital coupons. And they had a digital coupon that was $2 off. It was $2 off when you spend $6 on Nivea products. But then I also got another one that was $1 off when you spend $5 on any body wash product. And both those coupons worked for this transaction because I purchased both of these products. So that brought my total down to $3. So basically I got 2 of these body washes for $3, making this $1.50 each. Moving on to the Garnier products, I got the Fructis and the Whole Blends. Now, the Fructis, these 2 green bottles right here, they were on price this week, 2 for $7. I used 1 of my manufacturer coupons from the Sunday paper. There was a $4 off 2, which brought it down to $3 for 2 of them. And then there was a deal where you bought 2 and you get $2 extra care bucks back. And so once I subtracted that, this made them 2 of these bottles for $1. So basically I got these 2 for 50 cents each. Now moving on to the whole blends. The whole blends was also priced 2 for $7 this week. And there was a CRT coupon that once you have your CVS card, there is a red machine in CVS that you scan your card at, and they give you coupons as well. They're called CRTs. And they had a CRT that was $3 off any 2 of the whole blend products. And so I used this on that order, which brought my total down to $4 for 2 of these bottles. But also this one had an extra buck reward as well. So when you bought 2, you got $2 extra care buck back, which made these 2 for $2, which was $1 each for both of $1 each for each of them. Now moving on to the Head and Shoulders. The Head and Shoulders was priced 2 for $12 this week. And then I had a $5 off 2 manufacturer coupon from the paper, which brought my total down to $7 for both. And then I also had an extra CRT that was $2.50 off 1 Head and Shoulders product. Now, once you start shopping more at CVS, they give you extra CRTs. So I don't know if that CRT was just printed out for me or if it was for everybody, but it was a $2.50 off 1. So I added that to this order, which brought my price down to $5.50 for both, which made these $2.25 each. And they were originally about $6.50 on their own. Now moving on to the hair color, they were priced this week $2 for $6. And then I used a manufacturer coupon that was $1 off 2, which brought it down to $5 for 2 boxes. And then I had a CRT, which again, that is those coupons they print out from the red machine. That was $2 off any 2 boxes, which brought my price down to $3 for both these boxes. So I got this hair dye for $1.50 each. Moving on to the Tide. The Tide was priced at that store $4.94, and there was a $3 off coupon in the P&G coupon book from this past Sunday in the Sunday paper, and so it was $3 off any Tide product. So it made this these 16 count Tide Pods $1.94. The last thing I got was a Colgate toothbrush, and I love it when I can get these name brand toothbrushes for like around $1. So these were priced at $3.99, and then I used a $1 off manufacturer coupon that I got from the Sunday paper. But then they had a deal when you bought one of the toothbrushes, you get $2 extra care buck back. So once I take that out, it actually made it 99 cents for one. Now all this stuff that I bought today, my total out-pocket price that I paid was $5.29. And that again is because I have stuff to roll over from other orders. But then I got back a $5, $2, $2. So a total of $11 in extra care bucks that I can use on my next order. So basically, if you subtracted it, it's like I got all this stuff for free and then I made money as well. And when you first start off at CVS, you will pay some money up front, but then once you start making more trips every week, your money starts rolling and you really start saving. But even if you're just starting off just today without any extra care bucks from the week before, these still are some good deals. Like to get these, you get 2 of these for $5.98, which is a good price because these are normally $7 to $8 on their own. To get this for $1.50 each this week, to get this one for, this came out to 50 cents each this week. These came out to $1 each. These back here, who is like very pricey all the time for me, they came out to $2.25 each. I got hair color for $1.50 each. Tide Pods for $1.94, and then a Colgate toothbrush $3.60 for 99 cents. So even rolling over, like even when you start off, you will get these prices that I told you just starting off if you used the manufacturer coupons, the CVS app, and also the CRTs that are printing. So those are my deals for CVS this week, and I will keep sharing them with you guys if you guys want me to do more videos like this. So those are my deals for this week, and these deals are good until Saturday night, and then Sunday, that's when they start all their new deals. Again, if you're not used to CVS, I know it can seem overwhelming because you have to deal with like the digital coupons, the CRTs, and extra care bucks. I will put a link to 2 of these women that I follow on YouTube that they do deals at CVS every week, and I basically go to them and look at their breakdown, and they always have a printable breakdown every week of the deals that are at CVS, and I basically pick the ones that I want. There is more deals than this, but these are just the ones that I find that I like for my home. One thing I will say to you guys, when you're doing couponing, don't get caught up in buying things that you don't normally buy, because then you're overspending and you're defeating the purpose of couponing. So they will show you deals every week of all the great deals, but I'm just going to be showing you what I buy. But I do want to put them down in the description box below so that you guys can follow them as well, so you guys can see other deals in case you want to buy some more things as well. Again, if you want me to do a video on CVS talking more about the CRTs and the digital coupons and the card and the extra care bucks and explain more detail about what that is, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a video for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go out there and save some money, get some coupons. You can still probably get some coupons from the last Sunday's paper. There's a lot of people that sell coupons in different areas, whether we're in different states, where you could just buy the coupon books directly. I buy from this lady. She just gives me the actual inserts, but I think you can still get the paper now if you want to. And a lot of the times in CVS, the manufacturer coupons that you would find in the Sunday paper, they actually have it on their digital, so you can just click the digital and still get these deals. A lot of the ones that I use, that I was talking about, that I used my Sunday paper coupons, they have them on the digital coupon app, so you could just click them and use them as well. So go out there and get some savings to this week, guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.